My name's Jordan, work for GGI. We're doing a job today in Moss Side, which is IWI SWIP system, 95mm. And we've just finished up to the membrane process.
So how long have you been fitting our system? I
would say about 2 years.
About 2 years?
2 years.
Have you fitted any other types of systems in the past, or have you always been?
It's always been the SWIP system.
SWIP system.
Yeah, between 65 and the 95.
And the 95.
Yeah.
Tell me, how do you feel? I mean, how have you found working with our system? How have you found the install process itself, and actually the materials themselves?
Yeah.
How have you found working with them? Are they?
Yeah, I love the materials. They're really good to work with. The insulation is not normal insulation. It's more like a bat. So when you cut it and fit it, it's not like the loft insulation. It's really good to work with.
It's very simple and straightforward.
It's simple, straightforward. The membranes, good quality to work with. These are fantastic, these reveal boards, because you can cut them with a knife.
That makes life so much easier for you, isn't it? Yeah.
Nice and easy,
okay.
Straight on, and they're strong as well. So
right.
You can cut them with a knife, but they're strong.
But they're strong as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they're good to work with. The way you've designed it,
yeah,
works really well with us, because like you said, we fit the studs to a certain measurement.
Yeah, to 600mm, and then the bat being
600mm, and because the bat's cut to a certain size,
it just makes life so much easier for you.
You don't even really need to cut it down that way.
Right.
It's just straight in. Dead easy.
I will ask the question, improvement-wise, is there anything that you feel could be done better from our design point, or are you completely at ease and happy with the system as it stands?
If I went away and tried to think of one way of improving it, I don't think I could.
You couldn't? Well, that's brilliant. That's just the music to my ears.
Yeah.
Just to hear that. But in general, then, you're just completely happy with the system. It's straightforward, it's easy to work with.
Very easy.
And you get the job done in good time.
Yeah, I reckon we get a room done within 5 hours. You get a room done start to finish. Boarded, everything ready to plaster.
Wow.
So even the tenants are sometimes surprised.
How quickly it goes in.
They'll walk in and go, "No way, have you got it done already?"
Wow.
And they're like, done, dusted.
Magic.
Easy.
And that's music to our ears. As a system designer, it's always important that we hear and have feedback from customers like yourself, installers like yourself. It helps us in future designs and future upgrades and modifications.
Yeah.
And anything like this is always good to hear.